Alright, welcome back. Classy Bonsai. Today we're going to work on this little Cascade Mugo pine. It's been repotted once, right when I first bought it. It was styled last year by Tyler Sherrod, and I'm going to stick it into a new pot. I'm going to do my best not to block it. I'm limited on space here because all my trees are still living in here. I think I'm going to stick it in this pot that I made. I think it's a cool pot. I like it. It's number 94. I think it'll be better than this falling apart pot. Alright. I wonder if it's just gonna pop out. Let's move this. And it did. I'd say the roots are pretty healthy in there. Look at those. That was pretty good soil. We don't need this many roots, that's for sure. I almost just want to saw them off, but not going to. Let's see what we have on the top. It is windy here today. I'm going to stand this up a little bit, make it a little less cascadey. Core of roots there. Yeah, there's some here that are growing around. I could probably bring out this way. I had it growing like down. I think I kind of want to straighten it up a little bit, just a little. Because I had it like that. These roots are garbage over here. If I do it like that, and this becomes a leader. That ain't no good. What if I turn that into a leader and forget about a cascade? I don't need to put it in this cascade pot. Bring this up. And change the orientation altogether. What if we put it in a totally different pot? Oh, Jesus. I'm not saying this is the pot. I'm just... That ain't a bad tree like that. Kind of... We can play with these branches a little more. think I'm gonna do that one. I like that. Or I could, I don't know what I want to do. To be continued. I've decided on this pot, and this thing. I believe. Oh no, wait, this thing. So still like a semi-cascade, but not quite a cascade. Yep, I think that's, there it is. It's gonna be like that. I'm gonna put some fresh stuff down for drainage, and then I'm gonna reuse some of the soil. Because I'm sure there's mycorrhiza in there. You know what? I need to put some wire in here. Tie this thing down with. Get some wire in there now. Start situating this where I want it. Moving these roots where I want them. I'm going to put some of this soil that was already in it back in it to keep the mycorrhiza going. Trim some more of these roots off. We're trying to get these roots to grow out here and fill in this area. Okay, well, I got an angle I wanted at. Roots are in, it's tied in. And add some more of this soil in here while I hold these roots down. I know you can't see what I'm doing. I don't want these roots growing upwards. Push it all down first, then I will chopstick it when I want it. And I know I could have given it fresh soil. I definitely could have. And I did give it some. Bottom half is fresh soil. But I really did some root damage here. So trying to make sure the mycorrhiza's still in there and that everything's going to be okay. That's why I am reusing some of this old soil. I didn't see too much mycorrhiza. Doesn't mean it wasn't there. This thing was 2 years in that other pot, so I'm guessing in 2 years it'll need some work in this one for sure. Maybe less. It's a smaller pot. But like I said, we're going to probably change it from a full-on cascade to a semi-cascade now, since we did that. Bring this up just a little bit. Might lose this branch altogether. Or at least keep them closer together, like they're one pad. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really want to style it too much right now. This branch can always come up. Yeah, it looks pretty good the way it is, to be honest with you. Yeah, not bad. That's it. Alright, there's my little Mugo pine. It's all potted up. Looking better, I think. I like this little pot. I made this pot, so I'm biased. But we'll check on it. We've been checking on it for years. We'll keep checking on it for years. Hopefully it lasts a long time. Hopefully it outlives me and I pass it on to somebody. Hopefully the wind dies down. Classy bonsai. Stay classy out there. I'll see you next time.